Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Mark Masters. And I am trying to figure out information about handicap accessible vans. Now, you told me that how a handicap accessible van is how much more expensive than a typical van?
Typically, almost twice.
Twice. And for most people, that's too much money.
Absolutely.
So most people end up, is this true? Most people end up buying a used?
Most people will get a used van, absolutely.
And can you tell me just how that works? Just what's involved in buying a used van versus a new one?
New vans typically, obviously, if people have money and it's not an issue, we'll sell new vans to them. Most people, it's not something they're expecting. A lot of times, this is a overnight type thing where we need a van because this happened,
right?
And they don't have money set aside for a new van. So then, used vans are typically what we're going to go to. As a company, we've got about 1,500 vehicles at all times. So our price points could be in the low to mid-teens up to the high 70s as far as the price of the van.
And so, are there things that if people, if they're looking to buy a new van, a used van, they have to? I'm assuming you look at the mileage on the vehicle, and what do you think about?
It's like buying a used car at that point.
Uh-huh.
We're still going to do the needs analysis and make sure that what we're looking for ultimately is going to be the right application for the client.
Right.
That's the most important part, obviously. But then it's going to be, based on their credit, based on their down payment, how long they think they're going to have the vehicle for.
Uh-huh.
We also do leases. We deal with, ALS and a lot of unfortunate things that happen to people where it's a shorter term, they're probably going to be in the vehicle.
Right.
So that's one of the factors that comes in too. But it's at that point, a lot of it, making sure that the van's going to work for who they are. But then it comes down to their budget and, what they can afford monthly payments.
And is there any suggestions if a family is to buy, they know that a van is coming available from another family, and they know such and such had their son die, their husband died, they have a handicapped accessible vehicle.
Right.
Is there anything that they should ask, or when they go, or just, now this is not buying from y'all, this is buying from individual, the things that they should take into consideration?
Really just kind of buyer beware at that point. Bring it to a mobility workspace. Let us look at it, go over the vehicle. So y'all do on a daily basis.
So y'all would do that kind of thing if somebody was worried about a van and wanted to buy it, that y'all would look at it and say thumbs up or thumbs down?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, that's really useful, especially since you think most people end up buying a used van. That
Yes.
helps. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely. Thank you.
I hope that was helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.